So, ayan. Oh, excited si Yata. Excited si Gabriel.
Excited si Gabriel maghapon sa swimming pool.
Oh, matagal na to. Nagbabalak na mag-swimming kaso busy kami sa transfer ng mga gamit. So ngayon, bigyan ko siya kahit 30 minutes to 1 hour mag-swimming. So kalipat na namin dito sa bagong accommodation namin. So alam na ni Gabriel kung saan pupunta.
Put a slipper.
Not yet, we will okay, wash your body first
Yes.
before you can bike.
It's not going to swim when I didn't wash.
Yeah.
That is the electricity connecting to the house. Get daddy this one.
Oh.
Can I jump daddy in the pool?
What mommy said? You will not jump. Okay, may sauna pa sila. May laundry.
Where's the M sauna room?
Yes,
Where's the volume sauna room? Where's
You can
the
wash your body.
fitness room?
Very soon. Just wash your body here.
And then I
And swim.
can the bag.
Come on, wash your body and then wait. I will wait here. Okay, so yan. Ano na, push. Push. Come on. Slowly. No.
Let us remove the slipper.
No, dito.
Where's it? Daddy?
Yeah.
We're going to swim, Daddy.
Let's go there. Let's go there.
Let us swim in the pool, Daddy.
I want to sit first. There. There you want to go.
I want to swim there.
Yeah, let's go there. You put your slipper there on the other side.
Yes, where?
Here. Let's go back now.
The other side.
Yeah.
Where's the other side, Daddy?
Ano kami na pisto?
Where's the other side?
There. There's a... You're not cold?
Yes. From the other side.
Yeah.
Where's the slipper there?
Sorry.
Daddy, no smoking, no eating.
Yeah. Oh, ito. Ganda oh. Okay. We can put our things here.
Do not die.
Yeah.
Let's swim now, Daddy.
Yeah, I can see. Huh?
Let us sit down now.
It's nice there, Gabo.
Sit down.
Huh? You forgot how to swim or you know how to swim?
No.
Uy, baki. Ang galing oh. There na go. Let's go there. Go. Are you okay? Come here. Let's go there. Let's go the other side. It's nice there. Do not jump.
It's jumping good.
See? Wow. Ganda nito oh. So, mayroong parang underground dito. Tapos tubig na dito. Oh. Okay, so ayan. Dito na ulit kami sa swimming pool ni Gabriel. Ayan, so samahan ko muna maligo itong batang to para may kalaro sa tubig. So walang ibang tao pa kasi ngayon kasi maaga napakaaga gusto mag-swimming itong batang to. So talagang pinagbigyan ko lang na mag-swimming siya ngayon. Kasi matagal-tagal na rin niyang gustong mag-swimming kaso lang yun nga, may pasok at saka ito. Ayun. Alright, so come on, Gabriel.
Daddy.
Yeah. Hold. Come over here, hey. Here, right there. Do not stand there.
Sit down. Let's dive.
Oh, may bagong construction ng building dito, Gabo. Wow. Sige, ba saan? Let's go to swimming. Okay, so yan na po muna ngayon sa araw na to. At napabigyan na si Gabriel na maligo sa swimming pool. At yan, pauwi na kami. Pabalik kami pala sa pero mag-shower muna dito sa baba. Okay, Gabriel, are you okay?
Yes.
Are you happy now? Okay. There. So what the crap?
Shower.
Up nam. There.
Then serving.
Thank you. Okay, so can you take a shower
Let
there?
us have to.
Come go there. Yeah.
Let us have to remove this crap.
Okay, so say bye-bye to the friends.
Goodbye, friends. See you later.
Alright, so ayan, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Prince Gabriel Hinay. Bye-bye. Ready na si Gabriel maligo.